Here some time ago down in Louisiana, Brother Moore here on the platform and we were going down, way down to some little city, the little church, to have a meeting. I had my suitcase that some folks gave me many, many years ago over in California. I just bought me a new suit. I had it in the suitcase and had an old one on. And he had it laying on top of his car, driving fast down through Louisiana. All at once, when we got down there, we found out the suitcase wasn't on top. It's gone. I didn't even have a pocket handkerchief. So he was very much discouraged. I said, oh, the Lord will take care of that. All my wardrobe complete was in it, besides my overalls at home. So he said, Brother Branham, I'm going out and buy a new suit. I said, no, it's all right. He said, you haven't got a chance, Brother Branham. So that was lost way up along the road there. Lots of colored people live up through this way. I said, my Bible is in there, it had my name in it. He said, well, if he found that suitcase, Brother Branham, said the thing you'd do is sell those suits and so forth like that. I said, well, maybe he needs it worse than I do, because the Lord gave them to me, so maybe he needs them worse. The Lord's given them to him. Well, and if he found my Bible and if he knew me, he'd bring it back anyhow. He said, oh, no, Brother Branham said, if a sinner finds it, said he'll sell the clothes, and said if a Christian finds it, they'll cut those suits up and send them to one another for prayer cloths. But you haven't got a chance. So I said, well, we'll just trust the Lord. 2 days passed, and Brother Brown over there, he said, I absolutely want to get you some new suits. I said, no, the Lord will bring them back somehow. 2 or 3 days passed. We met a police down there, and the police said, sure, I'll go up the road looking for it. His mother had been healed in my meetings. Said, certainly. One of the state police. And we had told him we lost a suitcase up there, way up in the swamp somewhere. So maybe 200 miles, 300 up down the road. So then the next day we went over, and Brother Jack was just persistent that I was going to get a suit of clothes anyhow. Said, boy, 1,000 miles from home, no clothes at home, and none here. Said, Ma, what are you going to do without even a handkerchief or a clean shirt? I said, well, the Lord will take care of that. Brother Brown, he's going to come out and he's going to make me go get a suit of clothes. Just about time Brother Brown come out, the phone rang. The old colored brother called up and said, is Brother Brown there? Said, I was done found his suitcase. I was on my way. Trust in the Lord. Amen. Whatever it is, all things work together for good. You just can't lose when you become a Christian. Just can't lose. Just trust in Him, and whatever the way goes, just keep your sails set to His Spirit. He'll guide you into the harbor. It'll all be all right.